Hey everybody, Hartman here. Today we're here to cook Cajun Gumbo for you, okay? Nice rainy day, Sunday, bears getting ready to play. What we're going to do is we're going to cook this in a 12-quart cast iron Camp Chef Dutch oven on the Weber grill with some royal oak charcoal, okay? So the way we're going to do this is we'll make the roux in here on the grill, and we'll add the ingredients as we go. Let me show you what we got here. Very first thing, the main ingredient for Cajun cooking is the Trinity, okay? It's 4 cups of onions, 2 cups of celery, and 2 cups of green bell peppers. That goes in along with some garlic that we like to put in there. You can add as much as you want. I like a lot of garlic, so I try to add at least 6 or 8 cloves in there as you go. Some of the other ingredients that we'll have is we'll have 2 cups of smoked chicken. And I already took the liberty of doing this yesterday. Put it in the smoker and smoked it. I did not add any seasonings to the chicken because I want it to be pretty much just smoked flavor, and I don't want any of the seasoning from the chicken to enhance or change the flavor of my gumbo, okay? One of the things we also add is we add okra. Okra is what kind of thickens it up. It's great. It's great in there. I love it. That's pretty much a standard for a lot of Cajun cooking. We have some raw shrimp we're going to throw in there. We also have one of the other main stars for the show is Andouille Sausage. I made this yesterday, and it's good to go. And I make this recipe, and that's probably another episode for a little bit later. Right now, that's one of the things that we have going in there. So we have 1 cup of oil and 1 cup of flour. When you're making roux, it's equal parts. So if you're going to use 2 cups of oil, 2 cups of flour, always equal, okay? 8 cups of chicken broth, and I use a powdered chicken broth, but I use 6 tablespoons of that for 8 quarts of water, or 8 cups, sorry. And some, this is basically the seasoning. It's Emerald Lagasse's seasoning, but I kind of add a little bit more cayenne pepper in there because that's how I like it, so you can use that. And so, let's see, I didn't forget, the green peppers, those are for the end of it. And of course, we'll make some rice too, throw some rice on there. So let's get at it, and stick around, we'll see you in a few. Okay, so we have our Dutch oven on the grill, and we got it hot, and I got my heat gun here. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. That's about 544 degrees, 34 degrees around there. Perfect for getting the roux started. So pretty much, put your oil in here. Okay, 1 cup of oil. Get that in there, let it get warm. One of the things that's important too is having your when you're doing it outside like this, having your grill level. You can see mine's not too level. That'll be okay. Before we're done, we'll get her all fired up there, get her straightened out. Also want to make sure that you don't got too much wood in here to start fire like this. A little bit of smoke, we got to keep that baby hot. Okay. The other important thing for this to remember when you're making this roux is use a wooden spoon. Okay, don't use plastic. Don't use metal on your cast iron. Wooden, okay? Put flour in there. This is where it gets kind of hairy at right here. You got to stay on this. Get this out of here. You got to keep stirring this stuff, don't stop. Good and hot. You can make a blonde roux out of it. Blonde roux is just basically just, you know, not real dark. But the darker you get with it, it seems to have a more robust flavor than just making a blonde one. Okay. And again, like I said, you gotta stay on this. You burn this, you're done. You gotta start over. Gotta stay with it. And remember, have all your stuff already cut up, so you can just throw it right in here. As you see, you gotta keep on moving with it. And I may have some hair left on my hands by the time I'm done. I don't know, but it's all right. It's worth it. All right. Keep that rolling, and we'll come back in a second. Okay, so you can see we got the roux here going. Getting ready to put the green bell peppers in there. With the Trinity going. Got to make sure we stay on top of this here. Get this going. Get it all in there. We got a hot fire. Hot. Gonna get this. Let this cook down. Keep stirring it. Next, we're gonna put our chicken broth in. Want to keep stirring this though. We want to kind of saute them in that. Okay. Keep it going. Keep them babies hot. You don't want to put the okra and the garlic in here just yet. You'll burn that garlic and it won't be any good. Basically you're just throwing this Trinity in there and cooking it down. Notice I had to put the glove on. It is hot. That's a hot grill, Jack. We're going to put the water in here in a second. Keep this going for a minute or two. Now remember, we put 8 cups of chicken broth with 7 tablespoons of bouillon, chicken bouillon. And you can use beef if you want to. You can make your own chicken stock if you want to boil your chicken instead of smoking it. You know, use that too. Ain't rocket science. All right, so we're gonna put the 8 cups in here. That's what we want to see right there. We'll keep that going. That's good eating right there. Give her a few minutes. Get the boiling. We're going to put the meat in there. So get this going here. Keep stirring. We're going to add our andouille sausage. We're going to add the shrimp. We're going to add our chicken. Let's get it rolling. While it's hot. Keep it going while it's hot. It's hot, it's hot. We're going to give it a few minutes here to let it thicken up. And then we're going to add the garlic and the okra and some of the Cajun seasonings here. Okay. So it'll start to thicken up with good stuff right there. That chicken all hot, start cooking. That shrimp is already cooked. That's how hot that is. It's good and hot. Alright, we'll be back in a second. Alright, so we're ready for the okra. It's been about, I don't know, 10 minutes or so. See how it started to thicken up? That's what you want. So right here, we have the okra and the garlic all at the same time, okay? Throw that in there. Pretty easy peasy. Stir it up a little bit. And our last thing that we're going to use is our Cajun seasoning. So just stir that up in there. We may add a little bit more there towards the end, but that's it. And we'll put the lid on it, kick it off to the side, come back in a few minutes. Thanks. All right, thanks everybody. As you can see, our gumbo is done. Been on the grill for about an hour, hour and a half. Keep stirring it. You don't want that to burn. I actually had the grill just maybe a little too hot, but I stayed on it. And so what we do is we've already made our rice. As you can see it right there in one of my granny's bowls. Been in the family for a long time. Make some rice. It's the way we eat it. Okay, so get a look at this. Look how good that is. Look how thick that is. See that? See that? That is good stuff right there. You got the andouille sausage, you got the chicken, you got the shrimp in there. See that right there? That is some good stuff right there. So what we do is take a nice big scoopful like this, throw it on some rice, and throw some one more on there like that. Okay. Put it around there. And then the last part of it, sprinkle a little bit of green onions on top of that. And serve it on up. That's how we do it. It's Robin's Cajun Gumbo. If you like this video, let us know. It's my first one. We're gonna try and do some more of this. If you like it, hit the subscribe button. Give me some of your comments, and I'll post the recipe below. And thanks for watching. Thank you very much.